Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today, so I want to say Merry Christmas to you guys. And today, we have an unboxing video of another AC44C6M. So let's get unboxing. So starting off, we got a there we go. And alright, you guys. So I'm about to pull this thing out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it out. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and see here what we got. Hold on, what's that? Alright, you guys, so here it is. NS4004. The Blue Mane AC44C6M. This is actually one of them. We even have NS4005. But Scaletrains has not released that in first run. So yeah. So starting off with the front. So we have the windshield wipers on the windows and stuff. And we got the handrails and stuff. They do look very nice. And we have a brown coupler. And then on the unibrow, so NS 4004 and 4005 does not have the white unibrow, and that also goes with NS 4000, 4001, 4002, and 4003, and also for 8520, and that one's retired or something, or sold to a CN leasing company, I'm pretty sure. And it also goes for 1800 and 1801, and 1801's not in service anymore. And here we have on the side, so we got the row number and the sine wave. And then right here we have the blue flame, which I think is very nice, of course. And then here we have the long hood. So the long hood on it is in gray. That's for all the NS DC to AC conversions. They have a gray long hood, and it has a K5 LA, and it has a smokestack. It looks like one from a Dash 8. I don't know, or from a Dash 9, since this is a rebuilt Dash 9. And then we have the back, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and compare it with a couple of engines. Alright, you guys, so we're comparing it with my regular sine wave AC44C6M. So there's a few differences between these two. NS4004, yeah, it does not have that white unibrow. But on NS4082, it does have the white unibrow, because this is a horse head. Yeah, this is a horse head. All of these AC44C6Ms are actually horse heads. And yeah, they both have K5 LAs as well. And they do look pretty nice. And yeah, and for the long hoods, NS4082 has it all in black with a white horsehead logo. Meanwhile, on NS4004 has a gray long hood with the black NS logo, horsehead logo. And yeah, both of these have steel bells, GE steel bells. And I'm actually going to put these two side by side. And yeah, these do look pretty good. And yeah, both these released back in June of 2025. And yeah, NS4082 was the first AC44C6M that I've gotten. And something that I've actually told you about in my PRR 060 steam engine was that its motor gave out on a layout that I didn't run in a while, and yeah, I had to return it to Scaletrains to get an exchange. And yeah, and this one right here is working great. And yeah, And yeah, soon I do want to, hopefully, on my birthday, I do get my, I can get like a DCC, what is it? Oh, controller and decoder for these two engines. Yeah, for my two AC44C6Ms, and possibly also get one for my NS ET44AC, which is also from Scaletrains. But we're not taking a look at that right now. And yeah, these two are very interesting, and yeah, I might be out of here. And yeah, you guys, Merry Christmas and have a good day.